Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I have something interesting again to show you guys. These are the metal high-speed gears that arrived in my mailbox today. In this video we're going to check out how they stack up against a typical upgrade such as putting a hyperdash model into the car. Well, from a speed checker test, we could see that the speed has doubled from 13 km per hour to 26 km per hour just by putting in a hyperdash model. Alright, here's a clone of the Tamiya Mini4WD. It's not from Tamiya, it's from RZ, that's the brand. So this is the RZ clone with the stock motor and stock gears. I'm going to do a speed test to see how fast it runs. So it's about 14 km per hour. Now I'm going to upgrade this car by replacing the gears with the metal high-speed ones which I got from AliExpress. First I will replace the blue gear with this metal one, and then I will replace the 8-teeth pinion of the motor with this high-speed pinion. The interesting thing about this upgrade is that you will no longer require this step-down gear, so I'm going to remove it. With the upgrade we will have the motor pinion meshing against this gear to drive the transmission system for the 4-wheel drive. Ta-da! Here's the car with the gears upgraded to high-speed metal ones. As you can see, this is the metal pinion. It has a lot more teeth, and there's a hole here because it's too big and I have to make room for this pinion. Everything is working. It's really smooth. There's less rattling as compared to before, since there's one extra gear taken out. Alright, let's do a speed test to see how fast it runs. Oh, that's 32 km per hour. The speed is insane and there's hardly any stability. So the metal high-speed gears are really powerful. Same motor, just the change in gears, and this is what we have got. Pretty interesting. After the metal high-speed gears are installed, I noticed that when the motor's pinion is driving the big metal gear on the rear wheel shaft, the wheels are traveling in the wrong direction. Hence I need to reverse the polarity of the batteries. Here I've used white paint to mark the negative terminal as positive. If the batteries reverse, we could have the car traveling forward as per normal. In conclusion, these metal high-speed gears do provide higher speed for the Mini4WD cars without the need to upgrade their models. They have a speed reduction of 2.28 to 1, which is really fast as compared to 3.5 to 1 reduction by the fastest high-speed gears by Tamiya over here. However, the big gear does slip on the wheel shaft, so it's required to use some Loctite to prevent it from slipping on the shaft. That's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoy it, and as always, thank you so much for dropping by.